Another type of email marketing, approved based. So you wish to know more about email marketing? Here is one type that will truly help you out. Consent-based email marketing. That's right, approved-based email marketing. When your other marketing is not reliable, email marketing is the brand new perfect media to use. In-store marketing is the only reliable if consumers come in the shop. If they don't, this type of marketing is squandered. Another benefit of email marketing is that it does not cost anything. Large-scale mailing can actually include cost smart, but not so with authorization-based email marketing. Email marketing is also effective since it expands your client base. One method to make sure that your email marketing doesn't turn up into a flop is for you to use consent-based email marketing. Because of these individuals who send off emails that are not permission-based email marketers, there are many times when your email marketing might be considered to be spam and erased. If you are utilizing approved-based email marketing, there is no need to stress, because this kind of email marketing requires getting the email addresses of your consumers with the authorization to send them email. How do you successfully utilize consent-based email marketing? Keep emails in a friendly tone. This ensures that customers are more than willing to read your email than if it was in a monotone or hostile one. One way to make sure that email marketing doesn't turn into a flop is for you to utilize consent-based email marketing. Because these individuals who send off emails that are not authorization-based email marketing, there are a lot of times when even your emails might be thought to be spam and deleted. If you are utilizing consent-based email marketing, there is no need to stress, since this type of email marketing needs getting the email addresses of your clients with their permission to send them emails, as I have said. Keep emails in a friendly tone. This guarantees that consumers are more than prepared to read your emails than if it was in a monotone or unfriendly tone. Once more, that is repeating myself, but that's the way you must do it. If you want more help, I have a YouTube channel with over 330 videos, all about making money from home and earning money on the internet and starting a home business. They're all about working from home. So the YouTube channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I'll say that again, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now please, whatever you do, always do your research. People scam people and it's rife on the internet, so use Google, put in the name of the program you're going for or whatever you're starting up. Research it first. Make sure you go through it thorough. Don't skip it. You don't want to get scammed, like work for a week or a month, hoping to have money come in and nothing turns up. So research, can't stress it enough. I also use YouTube, as YouTube gives me instruction pictures, whereas you don't have to read everything. So YouTube is good as well. But when using YouTube, you have to put in how to in the browser. So you go how to make money online, how to make money at home, how to start a new business, things like that. That is YouTube. So other than this, little explanations, underneath my videos, there are links, a lot of links. I've been working a long time. Now these links are all affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs, but I put them there when I've enjoyed them. I'm still using some of them, but not all of them. So they're programs that I have used. Also, there are tools that I use today. Now these tools are good ones. I'm using them to make this video, some of them, and it's got them all underneath. But the one I'm going to suggest and recommend to you is called Spinrewriter. This program has really surprised me. I started it off years ago, just as a normal joining member. Last year I had an offer come to me to join it for life, so I'm now a life member. Now, best thing about that is that I give them keywords that I want to use, and within 4 to 5 hours I have 50 scripts sent to me in emails that I can utilize anywhere on the net, all about what I want to talk about. And that is Spinrewriter. You can also put your own work. If you were to see a program you liked, looking through it, you saw a page of script. Highlight it, copy it, put it into Spinrewriter, and it will spin it for you. You can't get done for copyright. So that is Spinrewriter. Lovely program as far as I'm concerned. Now, there is a like button below the video. Please click on the like button and subscribe. This helps me with YouTube. Up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell and press all if you want to see another video. YouTube will let you know when I put it up. So it's Ian Jackson saying all the very best in your online ventures. Please do your research and please click that like button and subscribe. So I'm saying thank you. Hope you come back. I'm signing off now. Bye bye.